Here's a great deal. This 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE minivan is a local trade with a clean Carfax and only one previous owner. It features a dealer service history and recent service valued at over $450, plus up-to-date Georgia emissions. This vehicle is a dealer-certified pre-owned unit, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty and a 5-year maintenance plan, available at a discounted price. Don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. We understand that purchasing a car is a big decision. This vehicle is being offered as one of our CPO units. Any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and service plan. You can also upgrade the CPO warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. Come see us today and drive away in this well-maintained Toyota Sienna XLE.